Morning, everybody. Quick update. Got the 3-inch tailpipes installed on the Fox body, so I'm just warming it up. I want to see what it looked like. They are a little bit different design. The way they go underneath the gas tank there, and I may have to tweak them a little more. They're just bolted up in place, but just letting it warm up, and I wanted to actually hadn't pulled it out just to see what they look like. Yeah, you can see how that kind of dips down around. I may have to tweak it, get them tucked up a little further, but I hadn't even pulled it out of the garage to see what they look like yet. So anyway, quick update with the 3-inch tailpipes.